Here's how to add a circle in iMovie on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a specific circle on the iMovie application on the iPhone device, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically open the iMovie application. Now from here, let's go ahead and search for iMovie, or if you have this application already on your device, just go ahead and launch it. Now in my case, I don't really have this installed yet, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly do that right now. So once you have already launched the iMovie application, let's go ahead and create a new movie by tapping on this option. Now let's proceed with choosing our preferred clips to basically edit on the iMovie application. And once you've already done so, as you see right here, all we need to do is to basically zoom in a little, and basically from here we need to go ahead and add another media form, which is going to be a PNG circle of basically a red circle. So in this case, if you want to go ahead and add that, just go ahead and do so by first downloading it on the Safari application. So you could easily go ahead and do this by searching for a circle, or let's just make it a red circle so that it could be more noticeable, and search for a PNG. In this case, let's go on to the images and make sure that the file that we're going to go ahead and download is going to be a PNG image. So to download this, go ahead and proceed with long pressing on the photo and tap on Save to Photos. Now proceed with going on to the iMovie application, and from here let's go ahead and tap on the photos and import that photo onto our scene. So now that we have all of our necessary images imported on the timeline, we need to go ahead and add a freeze frame real quick to freeze the scene if you do have any moving images on the video. So to do so, just go ahead and select the specific part of the video, tap on the clip, and then tap on this option, and then tap on freeze. Or first of all, we need to go ahead and select the specific part of the video that we want to go ahead and freeze. So let's go ahead and choose that real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot and basically adjust this yellow player over here so that we can adjust the preferred freeze frame. So now we've selected the preferred part of the video. Let's tap on freeze, and that is now our freeze frame right here. So once this is already done, we basically proceed now with going on to the specific image that we just added, and let's try to go ahead and add this image over onto the scene. Now if you are having issues with, of course, adding the photo on top of the scene, you need to make sure that you're putting the photo on picture-in-picture mode. So I've just did that by, of course, tapping on the three lines right next to the photo that I want to go ahead and import onto my timeline, and that's going to allow me to add this photo, or the circle PNG file, on top of my video right next, or rather onto the duration of the freeze frame that I just did. So from here, we may now go ahead and basically move this freeze frame onto, or rather move this circle onto our desired position. I'm going to put it right here on the Bluetooth icon, and then basically save that as so. Now, as you did see, I just tapped on this option right here on the middle of the magnifying glass and this rectangle to move the preferred clip, which is of course the circle, or the red circle PNG file. Once you play this video all the way through, we could actually now go ahead and have this freeze frame, as you see, right on top, or rather right under the PNG of the red circle image. And as you see, it's going to be playing right like that. And that's all for this video, guys. That is how you could easily add a circle over on to your iMovie applications on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.